Ladies and gentlemen, we extend a very warm welcome to superstar Mahesh Babu. Let's hear a huge round of applause. Come on. Thank you so much for joining us, sir. Please have a seat. I request everybody in the hall to kindly settle down and close the ballroom doors. We are just about to begin. Well, 19 years back, a store was launched in Vijayawada with a single aim to provide best sales and services to the customers. With the commitment to customer service and consistency for that aim, that one store today is a household name with over 250 stores in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu with a loyal customer base of 3 crore customers. Let's hear a huge round of applause for the brand Big C and the achievements that it has brought. Ladies and gentlemen, Big C is commitment, comfort and big care. Very good evening to all of you. I'm Shivani Sen, and on behalf of Big C, I welcome all of you to the grand launch of Big C and SSMB. You'll shortly come to know what all is in store in this evening. First off, let's have a look at the journey of Big C. Well, they say you don't grow when things are easy. You grow when you face challenges. And with each challenge, Big C has grown and achieved different milestones and carved a path for others to follow, for the world to follow. Ladies and gentlemen, we are so happy to share this journey, these achievements with all of you today. Let's have a look at another short video describing Big C's journey and achievements.
Mental journey over the last 19 years has seen the brand reach phenomenal heights. The brand launched its first store in 2002 with an aim to provide quality sales and services for phones of that era. Over the next few years, Big C's commitment to its customers saw it grow enormously in popularity. Each subsequent outlet which was opened in the twin Telugu states witnessed people from all sections of society come into the brand's outlets for a taste of the Big C experience. At Big C, C stands for customer and everything is centered around it. Big C's endearing success is credited to the loyal customers and employees of the brand. The brand specially thanks its large base of customers who have visited our stores and rejoiced the Big C experience. Today, Big C is over 250 stores strong network in Telangana, Andhra Pradesh and Tamil Nadu, catering to the needs of our loyal customer base of over 3 crores and is the undisputed #1 brand. The brand is also a front-runner in unique promotional campaigns. Big C has now signed up superstar Mahesh Babu as the brand ambassador for Big C. Known for his unique style and approach towards his customers in the films, there is a lot of enthusiasm about the campaigns the brand will create with superstar Mahesh Babu. For the first time in the brand's 19-year history, we have a superstar as a brand ambassador. From its inception, Big C has the highest share of the mobile phones sold in both AP and Telangana and set to launch another 100 stores in 1 year. Big C is focusing on Tier 4 and Tier 5 locations. Big C is also looking at creating employment opportunities for young talent from Tier 4 and Tier 5 locales. Big C now has smart televisions, laptops, smart watches and accessories along with smartphones. What not, its philosophy itself speaks think Big C. At Big C, we want to enhance this experience. It gives us immense satisfaction to watch our customers keep up with the changing times. Thus, to evolve with these multiple changes and rising expectations of our customers, the brand decided to undergo a big change, not just in terms of the outlook and design of the brand, but also the way the brand looks at and serves its customers. The brand has undergone a transformation that will not just add value to the customer, but also enhance their Big C experience. The founder and CMD of Big C, Mr. M. Balu Chaudhary said, "Customers come first. That's the very basis of our being, our ethos, and in the past 19 years, everything we do has been driven by that singular focus, to delight the customer each and every time. That we are here to push the boundaries of mobile retail. At Big C, we have not just set the standards, but have surpassed them. As category leaders, we don't stop at making the customers happy. We aim to delight them. Every marketing initiative, every campaign thought is seen from the customer's point of view. We probe ourselves constantly. Are we bringing the best that there is? How do we connect better? What kind of value addition appeals to the larger audience? The switch is always on to keep the glue between Big C and the consumers intact. Think big. Think Big C."
And with that, ladies and gentlemen, I'd like to call the senior management of Big C on stage. May I request Mr. Balu Chaudhary, founder and managing director, to please join us on the stage. Welcome, sir. I request Mr. Vice Swapna Kumar, sir, executive director, Big C, to please join us. Mr. Kailash Lakhiani, founder director, to please join us. Mr. Balaji Reddy, director. Mr. Gautam Reddy, director, kindly join us on the stage. Please have a seat, sir. Well, it takes commitment, hard work, perseverance, patience, preparation, professionalism, and a lot more to become superstar Mahesh Babu. Ladies and gentlemen, all the big qualities, the qualities that Big C as a brand looks up to, are there in superstar Mahesh Babu. So please join me as I welcome him on stage. The grand applause. Big C is honored to have Mahesh sir as the brand ambassador, as the Big C family member today. Well, this is the moment. Since everybody's standing here, I quickly request Balu sir and Mahesh sir to sign the contract of being the brand ambassador. Would you please join us and digitally sign it, and all of you will be able to see it on the screen. Can we also do a little logo symbol for the photo op? I think we've done that. Okay. So, Mahesh sir, we request you to kindly say a few words on this occasion. Would you like a wireless mic? Yeah, mic. Can I get a wireless mic?
అందరికీ నమస్కారం అండి వెరీ హ్యాపీ మిమ్మల్ని అందరం కలుసుకోవటం I think it's been a long time since we had events like these, and really happy to be here. First of all, very honored, sir, to be associated with Big C. We are the #1 mobile retail chain in AP and Telangana for more than 19 years now, and that's an achievement by itself, sir. Congratulations. And I'm really honored to be associated with you all, and I'm looking forward for a very long association, and looking forward that we both grow from here on. And I'm here to interact with you all after these gentlemen speak with you all. So I'm going to be sitting here for some more time. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. May I request Swapna sir, Executive Director, Big C, to please address the gathering.
Good evening. I'm fine with this. Yeah. Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Good evening, all the media dignitaries who are here. And Big C family welcomes the superstar, Mr. Mahesh Babu. I don't have any speech prepared, sir, but I am speechless because Big C has always been associated with all, I think almost all the actors that you have acted with. You're the first male brand ambassador for Big C, and I should say the aura is still here. We're shooting here from morning, I think almost at 10:30 he started here. Same energy, same vigor. He's been shooting, and we've got fantastic digital bites and very good photographs, which would, portray on Big C's advertisements, which are going to be released shortly. And little tensed again. The aura still continues. The superstar is here. So it was on a very short note. Thanks to Mahesh Babu gar, and my special thanks to Namrata Garu also, who's been very supportive. That because he has a very tight schedule, and upon our request, he has given this date, pulled it out from his very busy schedule of the ongoing movie Sarkar Vari Pata, and we were able to shoot this because of his support. Thank you very much for that, sir. I understand how much pressure you have, day, night. Yesterday also I was told you were working till 2 in the night. So, it's that kind of a commitment is very fantastic. Honored. So, friends, so here we are. So the superstar is here. I know you all would be waiting to, listen it more from him than from us. But then I'm telling you, so whatever digital bites we've made, they have come up very well. So all the Big C family is here. And I have to tell you, Mahesh sir, so I definitely would want to keep it a surprise, but all the 250 stores are connected through a platform called WebEx, in which actually our CMD Mr. Balu Chaudhary would usually do his teleconferences. They are watching this event live. So all the 250 Big C families are at present watching you live sitting here on the stage, and they're very happy, I think, to see you. On behalf of, I don't know from where they're, on behalf of all the Big C family, I welcome you on board to Big C, sir. Privileged, honored, excited. What can I say? Thank you very much for being the brand ambassador for Big C. That's what I can say. So now I would hand it over to Mr. Balu Chaudhary, to have a few words. Thank you. Thank you.
Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. It's a great pleasure to have Mahesh Babu as Big C brand ambassador. Thank you very much, sir, for endorsing Big C and helping us to take it more closer to our customer hearts. So, as she said in the AV, this is a household name for both the Telugu-speaking states last 19 years. So, when we started in 2002, the industry penetration was just 2%. Now it is almost 80%. So the Big C journey, along with the telecom journey, joined together. So we set lot of records and we broke our own records, thereby set our own records. As like how Mahesh Babu Garu did in their films, set his own records and break his own records, thereby setting a new record like that. So చూస్తే last 19 years journey, so మేము మా టీంకి రెగ్యులర్గా because everybody is watching in the live. So they are definitely వాళ్ళందరూ కూడా is more than life dream come true. So having a superstar in their Big C families, we 19 years, more than 2,000 families, okay, the people are there with their last 19 years working with us. So that's the commitment of the family kind of relationship bond we have with our internal and as well as because that is one of the biggest, I can say, the factor which made us family member names also. So that's how the journey has started. There's any big journey. So I thank Mahesh Babu Garu for endorsing Big C and taking this brand to more deeper and thicker. So I take this opportunity to thank all my 2,000 plus team members for their continuous effort of 19 years. So their effort and commitment to make this brand number one, undisputed number one last 19 years. So at the same time, I would like to thank wholeheartedly from bottom of my heart and entire from my team, on behalf of my team, to the customers who really gave us opportunity to serve for last 19 years. So it made us, we are here. So I definitely, it is the, I am more happy to say heartful thanks to my customers on this occasion. So I promise to all my customers on behalf of my team, so that we will continue our efforts and commitment towards pushing the boundaries for the retail industry and keep on innovating new ideas, keep on experimenting how to do a better service to our customers. Nowadays, we are even started delivering a product to home delivery, and we are also giving an even experience at a customer doorstep. So by a single click, within 90 minutes, the product is going to our customer reach house. So it is definitely a great occasion for all of the entire Big C family on this occasion. Thank you very much.
So, Mahesh sir, as Swapna sir rightly said, all of our 250 stores and our family, they are all watching you. So, could you please say hi to everybody right from here in the camera? Yeah, I know you can't see everybody, but that's the virtual world we have come to. Everybody can see. I'm sure everybody is very excited. Could the console please show all the members who have joined in? You would be able to see their smiles. And we, Big C, asked questions to the fan base and to our customers and to the store managers, and a lot of questions poured in for Mahesh sir. And we chose a few. We could choose only a few questions. And today, on behalf of everybody, I'm going to be asking few of those questions. Now, some of those questions may seem a little silly to you. Some of them will be funny. So that's all right. If you can answer a few of them, that would be great. So, first question, how many apps do you have on your phone?
A lot of apps. I think my daughter downloads a lot of them. But my favorite is Headspace.
Ah, okay. So a lot of them. Now his lot of them, along with the kids, could be actually a lot of them. Now, just like everyone else, do you check your phone immediately after waking up and before sleeping?
No way. I don't check the phone before sleeping because I won't get sleep otherwise. So I'm one of those people who read a book before sleeping. So I think staring at an electronic gadget, you don't get sleep. So I strictly follow that.
New generation and all the fan base, please note, before sleeping, keep the phone away. This is how you become a star. Now friends, okay, now this is a question which I have to ask. Now before buying a phone, do you wait for Diwali and the Dussehra discounts?
Which one?
Before buying a phone, do you wait for Diwali or the Dussehra discounts?
Now I don't wait. The Apple, they just launch it every year. So whenever they launch, I buy a phone.
Of course. So no, whoever asked this question, thank you for this witty question. And no, he doesn't wait for that. Now, what do you think as a parent is the right age to give a phone to the kids? Now, this is a very important question in this digital generation, especially after lockdown when all the kids are expected to attend the classes. But apart from that, do you think is the right age?
It's a very good question, interesting question actually. But if you ask me, I really don't know because I think we gave a phone to our children very, very early. So I don't know. I think 10 or 12, I don't know. So I leave it because like you said, in today's scenario, I think, when schools are all online and everything is online, so I really can't answer that question.
Well, actually, yeah, he's right. It depends on different families. But, well, now, as a big star, phone is a very important, accessory to you. It's not just an accessory. Now, would you be really worried if you would lose your phone? And would you be worried? Now, this is a question I'm not asking. Somebody's asking. Would you be worried about the monetary value or the data in it?
Data, obviously. Scary. That would be. So, the data. Yeah.
Obviously, yes. Now, next question is, have you eagerly waited for a phone to be launched? Have you ever eagerly? I'm not asking which brand, but person has asked, have you ever eagerly waited for a phone to be launched so that you can buy it quickly?
To be honest, now I don't want them to launch any phone because they're launching it so quickly these days.
And how often do you buy phones? How often do you change phones rather than buying? Or do you get
Whenever
gifted?
they launch a new one, I'm buying one. I think that's the case with everybody there.
Is the best brand ambassador for Big C. Ladies and gentlemen, do you know that I'm related to you? Did you guys know that?
Wow, how?
See, I'm part of Big C family. And so are you now, so ladies and gentlemen. So are the 3 crore customer base who are part of the Big C family. You are all related to superstar Mahesh Babu. How about that? Let's hear a round of applause for that. Well, some of our store managers also asked a few questions. And from Vijayawada, Geeta Devi had asked, do you purchase your phone or do you get them gifted by your wife or somebody else?
I think usually my wife gets me a phone.
She selects them, okay.
Yeah.
Point to be noted, sir. We have to talk to Namrata ma'am. From Warangal, Manish has asked, phones are pretty much advanced nowadays. What are the additional features you would like the phones to add in them?
Additional features?
Any additional
For
features?
Smartphones these days, what else do we need? I don't know. I think they have everything in these new phones. So I really don't know what else can they have.
Okay.
Anything that comes to your mind, sir? Because you deal with so many of these smartphones. So I think they pretty much have everything.
And any of the other directors would like to add to that? No? Okay.
I think the 5G, once it comes in, it will be interesting. I think a lot of features will be there. So
Faster
that
the
will be a
better.
game changer.
Right, absolutely. Now, what is one important feature that you look at before you get a phone? I'm sure Namrata gets it for you, but what is one feature that you look at? Me, I look at the camera. All the girls here sitting here, I'm sure they also look at the camera, quality of the camera. But what do you
I
look
wanted to
at?
answer that, so you made sure that you answered it. Camera, obviously. Because it's very simple, you know. I think pictures are all very important for all of us
Yes.
when we go to a holiday or everything. So camera is very important.
It's a game changer, I tell you. Camera changes your life. Ladies and gentlemen, next question is, what was the first phone that you had bought? And how old were you?
Nokia.
Okay.
Nokia, yeah,
Was
I remember
the
that.
heavy one?
It was one of those classical models. I think it comes with, you know, those buttons.
Keypad.
The classic. It was one of my favorite
Yeah.
models. Yeah, the Nokia one.
Yeah. It was actually quite a security tool for women traveling in public spaces. Yes. Now, Ramesh from Vizag has asked, do you apply screen guard or do you use phone with a back cover?
I have a screen guard and a phone cover as well.
Both. Okay.
Yeah, both.
So from Khammam, Baji has asked, what are the other accessories that you use along with your phone?
AirPods. Yeah,
That's the most
basic.
important
Yeah.
one. Okay. And Bhanu has asked, do you crave to change your phone as soon as the new one or a better model is launched, or if you're happy with the current one?
Better model
Better
when it's
model.
launched. Obviously.
All right. And Rajamundri say, Uday has asked, what movies or series are there currently in your playlist?
All the seasons of Friends I have. You know, it's a huge stress buster for me. So
Okay.
I like to keep watching it again and again. So Friends.
Okay, now the last question I'm asking, and it's a pretty basic one. According to you, is phone a luxury or a necessity?
I think it's both a luxury and a necessity, I feel. And if a phone can offer you both of that, I think it's amazing.
All right. So, shall we throw the floor open for questions? If anybody has any questions, please raise your hand and the mic will reach to you.
మహేష్ గారు నిన్న మీ ఫ్యాన్స్ దూకుడు 10 ఇయర్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకున్నారు. అలాగే బిక్సీ కూడా 19 ఇయర్స్ కంప్లీట్ చేసుకుంది. #1 స్టోర్గా ఉంది ఏపీ అండ్ తెలంగాణ. హౌ టు ఫీల్, మీరు ఎలా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు బిక్సీ బ్రాండ్గా మారటం, ఫస్ట్ మేల్ యాక్టర్ మారటం అనేది? ఇప్పుడు దాకా ఫిమేల్ లీడే బిక్సీ బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్గా ఉన్నారు. ఫస్ట్ మేల్ లీడ్ సూపర్ స్టార్ బిక్సీ బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్ రావడం మీరు ఎట్లా ఫీల్ అవుతున్నారు?
I hope I didn't steal it away from the ladies, sir. But really, like I said, it's a huge honor to be associated with Bixi Andi. And like I said before, they're the #1 mobile retail chain in AP and Telangana. And intaku mundu kuda teluso teliko they have a big association with the Telugu film industry. Because na cinema audio functions, every function, I think they've been almost sponsoring it. And so today, me being associated with them is really a big honor for me. And really looking forward, sir, to the association.
Sir, Swapna Kumar garu.
I have something to add this to Andy. So we always launch brand ambassadors and we do send it to friends, family, business associates, you know, the top corporates, everybody. So usually we keep it as a teaser. So manna pampichamu. So MB is bigger than great and megabyte is ane meaning వచ్చేటట్టు పంపించి teaser వచ్చిన తర్వాత వాళ్ళు కూడా everybody is expecting. Now it becomes on what kind of a response you get, you understand how they have. I'm telling you, ఒక రివీల్ పంపించాను నిన్న రాత్రి దట్ మహేష్ బాబు ఇదని చెప్పి మై ఫోన్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ స్టక్ అండి. మై ఫోన్ ఆల్మోస్ట్ లైక్ ఎవ్రీబడి హూస్ దేర్. అంటే నార్మల్గా ఏమవుతుందంటే 20% ఆన్సర్ ఆఫ్టర్ 5 minutes, ఆఫ్టర్ 10 minutes ఆర్ సంథింగ్. పీపుల్ హూ ఎవర్ హ్యావ్ స్టార్టెడ్ వావ్ కంగ్రాట్స్ ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్ మ్యాన్ వాట్ ఏ చాయిస్ అది ఇది అని చెప్పి. సో యునో ఆ డిఫరెన్స్ డెఫినెట్గా నేను తెలిసింది. దట్స్ ది ఆరా ఆఫ్ మహేష్ బాబు, దట్స్ ది పవర్ ఆఫ్ అ సూపర్ స్టార్. దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ కెన్ సే. థ్యాంక్ యూ సార్.
An honor, sir.
మహేష్ గారు, హాయ్ సార్. హాయ్ సార్, మిమ్మల్ని చూసి చాలా ఎగ్జైటింగ్గా ఉంది 2 years తర్వాత. సో ఈ పాండమిక్ మీకు ఏం నేర్పించింది? వన్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద కాయిన్ మీరు యూ స్పెండ్ విత్ ఫ్యామిలీ అండ్ అదర్ సైడ్ ఆఫ్ ద కాయిన్ మీరు ఏమి నేర్చుకున్నారు పాండమిక్ నుంచి?
I think చిన్న simple things, the basic things, I think they've become very important, sir. And so obviously spending time with my family and children. And so a lot of these simple things became very important for me. And life in a grantedగా తీసుకోకూడదు అనేది అర్థమైంది. సో యా.
సార్ మహేష్ గారు, సార్ ఇక్కడ సార్ మీరు చాలా బ్రాండ్స్కి అంబాసిడర్గా ఉన్నారు. మోస్ట్లీ నాకు తెలిసి సౌత్ ఇండియాలో నెంబర్ 1 మీరే బ్రాండ్స్. సో ఒక బ్రాండ్కి అంబాసిడర్గా ఉన్నప్పుడు మీరు ఎలాంటి క్వాలిటీస్ చూస్తారు సో అంబాసిడర్గా ఉండడానికి?
అదే నాకు తెలిసి ద బ్రాండ్ నేను సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నప్పుడు ఇట్ షుడ్ నా ఇమేజ్కి సరిపడా ఉండాలండి. సో ఇట్ షుడ్ కాంప్లిమెంట్ మై స్టైల్. సో దట్స్ వాట్ ఐ లుక్ ఇన్ ఇట్. అండ్ ఐ బీన్ వెరీ లక్కీ ఇన్ మై జర్నీ సో ఫార్. అండ్ సో బిగ్ సి is another achievement for me. And like I said, it's a huge honor and looking forward to this association.
మహేష్ sir, I
మహేష్
have a
గారు
question.
ఇక్కడి నుంచి బిగ్సీ స్టోర్లు కూడా మహేష్ బాబు గారి దగ్గర నుంచి ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ తీసుకుంటా అండి. టు లుక్ ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్, టు డీల్ విత్ ద కస్టమర్స్ ఇన్ అ ఫ్యాంటాస్టిక్ వే. బికాస్ ఇక్కడ టీమ్ ఇందాక చెప్పాను కదా సార్ మహేష్ గారు. సో దీస్ ఆర్ ఆల్ ఆర్ స్టోర్ టీమ్ మేనేజర్స్ హూ ఆర్ దేర్. సో 250 పీపుల్. సో డెఫినెట్గా ఆయన ఏ రకంగా అయితే మూవీ తర్వాత మూవీ చేస్తూ మనల్ని ఎంటర్టైన్ చేస్తూ ప్రతి మూవీకి ఆ డిఫరెన్స్ని ఎలాగైతే చూపిస్తూ ఈరోజు నిజంగానే సూపర్ స్టార్ అనిపించుకున్నారంటే ఇట్స్ అవుట్ ఆఫ్ ఎ షియర్ హార్డ్ వర్క్, కమిట్మెంట్ అండ్ ద వే హీ హాస్ మెయింటైన్డ్ హిమ్సెల్ఫ్ టిల్ హియర్. సో మార్నింగ్ కూడా అదే డిస్కస్ చేశాను అనమాట ఆయనతో. ఆ ఒక క్వాలిటీ ఆయనలో ఏదైతే ఉందో, ద డెడికేషన్ టువర్డ్స్ వర్క్, అండ్ పొద్దు నుంచి సాయంత్రం దాకా హీ వాస్ ఎంజాయింగ్ హిస్ వర్క్. హీ వాస్ మేకింగ్ ఎవ్రీబడి అరౌండ్ హిమ్ టు బీ ఇన్ ద జాయ్. అండ్ ఆ పనిని తను ఎంత బాగా ఎంజాయ్ చేస్తూ చేస్తారు. ఐఎమ్ యాక్చువల్లీ టెలింగ్ దిస్ టు ద టీమ్ హూస్ వాచింగ్ ఇట్ హియర్. సో అదైతే నాకు ఒక క్వాలిటీ బాగా నచ్చిందండి. ఇక్కడ నుంచి ఎనీ సేల్స్ మీ ఎనీ దిస్ థింగ్ ఐ విల్ టేక్ దిస్ as an example. And personally, yes, I'm also going to learn that from him. Thank you, sir. Please, auntie, your question.
Yeah, Mahesh sir, I have a question. How frequently you check your phone? Actually, I'm watching you. You're not being with your phone right now. But frequently when you're in the shoot or, when you get time, how frequently you want to...
Not too frequently. When I'm working, I really don't check my phone. It's not with me at all, usually.
Have you imagined your life without phone? If 2 days are given, no phone with you, how will you imagine? What things you want to
No,
do?
as a policy, when I'm working, the phone is not with me, usually. But
Not working. If just 2 days, no phone for Mahesh Babu sir. What you would like to do?
I think it's very addictive otherwise. You're stuck with your phone all the time. So it's better to get off with it also sometimes, I feel.
And there was a movie that based on, we are more into the phones. When we go to the get-togethers and the parties, we are, most of the children and, they are into the phone. Earlier, the kind of get-together we used to have.
Yeah,
so that trend has been changed in your family, like when they are having get-togethers and...
Yeah, it's a very tricky question you're asking me here because I really can't keep answering this question. Because
So when you have get-togethers in your family, somewhere Sitara and Gautam, they are like away from phones. Are they spend more time?
it depends actually, sometimes. So I think even like when she said with my kids also, we make sure that they don't spend too much time with their phone. So we give them like morning, they can be, after school, they can spend some time on the phone for 2 hours, evening 2 hours. So we kind of give them that time. So we make sure that they don't spend too much time.
So you never have gifted a phone, sir, in your life to your son? When you have got the gifts, have you planned to give somebody a phone in your life? You want to gift somebody a phone?
Yeah, I would be giving it to my wife. Who else?
స్వప్న కుమార్ గారు
ఎస్ అండి.
సార్ మీ బ్యానరు 2002 నుంచి మేము అందరం చూస్తూనే ఉన్నాము, డే 1 నుంచి. ఎప్పుడు కూడా అక్కడ ఈ ప్రజెంట్ సినారియాలో ఎవరైతే హీరోయిన్ నెంబర్ 1లో ఉన్నారో వాళ్ళు మీకు బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్గా ఉంటారు. ఇప్పుడు ఫస్ట్ టైము ఒక హీరోయిన్ ఫేస్ కాకుండా మహేష్ గారి ఫేస్ పెడతంలో ఎవరిదండి డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్?
అంటే డెసిషన్ మేకింగ్ కన్నా ఒకటండి, నేను నిన్న మహేష్ గారికి కూడా చెప్పాను సిన్సియర్లీ. సో 2007లో బిగ్సీ వాజ్ యాక్చువల్లీ ప్లానింగ్ టు ఎక్స్పాండ్ to 100 stores అండి. సో అది ఒక 1 yearలో చేయాలనే టార్గెట్ ఉన్నప్పుడు వి ఇనీషియలీ థాట్ మహేష్ గారితో మన అసోసియేట్ అవ్వాలని చెప్పి. somehow it didn't happen and he endorsed a different brand. అప్పటి నుంచి కూడా ఏంటంటే ఇంకా మేము వేరే హీరో గురించి కానీ ఎవరి గురించి ఆలోచించకుండా సో ఒక్కొక్కరిని హీరోయిన్స్ని తీసుకోవడం జరిగింది. డెస్టినీ ఈజ్ హియర్. సో ఫైనలీ ఏంటంటే మహేష్ బాబు గారు ఒక రైట్ టైం, మీరు ఇందాక అడిగారు కదా, ఎవరో బ్రాండ్ గురించి అడిగారు కదా. సో బిగ్సీ హ్యాస్ ఒక స్టేజ్కి వచ్చింది 250 స్టోర్స్ అవటం, కానీ నిజంగానే ఒక సూపర్ స్టార్ బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్ ఉండే రేంజ్కి బ్రాండ్ వచ్చే సమయానికి ఆయన మాతో బ్రాండ్ అంబాసిడర్గా అసోసియేట్ అవ్వడం అనేది నిజంగా చాలా హ్యాపీగా ఉన్నాం.
మీకు కూడా హ్యాపీ కదండి?
మాకు హ్యాపీనే సార్. రోజు దేనికంటే సినిమాల్లో ఎప్పుడైనా సంవత్సరానికి ఒకసారి చూసేవాళ్ళం, రోజు యాడ్స్ రూపంలో చూస్తున్నాం మిమ్మల్ని. సార్ ఇందాక మీరు ఒక స్టేట్మెంట్ ఇచ్చారు మహేష్ గారు, మీ పాపకి బాబుకి 10 ఇయర్స్కో 12 ఇయర్స్కో ఇచ్చారని. ఇప్పుడు లేనిపోయింది మా ఇంట్లో అడిగితే మేము మా పిల్లలకి ఇవ్వలేం. ఇది నిజంగా మీ ద్వారానే కరెక్ట్గా చెప్పాలి పలానా ఏజ్ అని.
నేను ఇచ్చామని చెప్పట్లేదు సార్. అంటే ఇప్పుడు ఇలాంటి టైమ్స్లో స్కూల్స్ అన్నీ ఆన్లైన్ అయిపోయినాయి. సో వీఆర్ ఫోర్స్ టు మేక్ దెమ్ స్టడీ త్రూ కంప్యూటర్స్, త్రూ ఫోన్స్, త్రూ ట్యాబ్లెట్స్ అండ్ ఆల్ దట్. సో ఆ కన్ఫ్యూజన్లో ఉన్నాను తప్ప మీరు ఫోర్స్గా మీరు ఇప్పుడు ఫోన్లు ఇచ్చేయాలని నేను చెప్పట్లేదు.
లేదు అంటే మహేష్ బాబు గారే ఇచ్చారు, మీరెందుకు ఎవరు మాకు కూడా ఇవ్వండి అని చెప్పి అంటారేమోనని పిల్లలు.
నేను ఇచ్చానని చెప్పట్లేదు సార్. నేను ఎప్పుడు ఇచ్చానో తెలియలేదు నాకు.
Sir, I'm here. How many phones have you changed so far?
Like I said, and every time Apple launches a new phone, I'm forced to buy one.
So there are countless. So one more question is like, congratulations to you for your film Maharshi winning Sakshi Excellence Award. So are awards important to you even after winning so many?
Yeah, it does. It's really important. And like I've said before, whenever a film becomes a big hit, it's really nice to get an award also, because then it becomes complete, the journey. So like I said, whenever a film becomes a blockbuster and if you end up getting awards also, that's the ultimate feeling. So it's happened to a lot of films of mine before, and I'm really happy with that.
సార్ సర్కార్ వారి పాట అప్డేట్ ఏంటి సార్? అంటే టీజర్కి హ్యూజ్ రెస్పాన్స్ వచ్చింది, మీరు టూ యంగ్గా కనిపించారనే కాంప్లిమెంట్స్ కూడా వచ్చాయి మీకు ఇంకొంచెం. సో ఆ షూటింగ్ అప్డేట్స్ ఏంటి?
I'm really looking forward to the film. So 1 year in January start చేసాం సినిమాని, and it's almost 60-70% complete అయిపోయింది. And so నా నుంచి my fans కానీ, the audience కానీ, they'll see a different Mahesh Babu in that film. And I'm really looking forward to it and very excited.
Mahesh sir, do you have your biggest secrets on your phone?
What on it?
Biggest secrets, your secrets.
సీక్రెట్స్.
I
Your
don't
biggest
think
secrets.
I don't think I have any secrets, and I'm one of the most. I don't think I have secrets. No.
హలో మహేష్ గారు.
And even if I do have, why will I tell it to you?
మహేష్ గారు.
That's what I was about to say.
హలో మహేష్ గారు. దూకుడు నిన్న మళ్ళీ ఆఫ్టర్ 10 years స్క్రీన్ చేశారు. 26 షోస్ స్క్రీన్ చేస్తే 23 షోస్ హౌస్ఫుల్ అయ్యాయి. పాండమిక్ టైంలో ఆఫ్టర్ 10 years మీ ఫిల్ము అట్లా థియేటర్కి వచ్చి జనాలు చూడడము, మీ కామెంట్ ఏంటి?
అదే నేను ముందు నుంచి చెప్పినట్టు నాన్నగారు అభిమానులు, నా అభిమానులు కానీ, ద సపోర్ట్ దేవ్ బీన్ గివింగ్ మీ ఇస్ ఫెనామినల్. సో నిన్న దూకుడు 10 years కంప్లీట్ అయింది. సో ఆ ఒకేజన్లో దే పుట్ అ నంబర్ ఆఫ్ షోస్ అక్రాస్ ఆంధ్ర అపారెంట్లీ. అండ్ అన్ని షోస్ హౌస్ఫుల్ అవటం, ఒక ఫెస్టివల్ లాగా థియేటర్స్లో జరగటం అనేది, వెన్ ఐఎమ్ హియరింగ్ థింగ్స్ లైక్ దిస్, చాలా ఆనందంగా ఉంటుంది. అండ్ రియలీ హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ టు దెమ్ ఫర్ ద సపోర్ట్. అండ్ ఎప్పుడూ రుణపడి ఉంటాను వాళ్ళకి జీవితాంతం. హ్యాట్స్ ఆఫ్ టు దెమ్.
There is a question in the front also, so once you are done with your question,
మహేష్ గారు, బ్రాండ్ సెలక్షన్లో మీదే ఉంటుందా నమ్రత గారు ఉంటుందా ప్రయారిటీ? ఏ బ్రాండ్ సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకున్నా, మొబైల్ బ్రాండ్ కానీ, టీవీ జీక్ కానీ, దేనికి బ్రాండ్ సెలక్షన్స్లో
నేను సెలెక్ట్ చేసుకుంటాను, ఆవిడ మేనేజ్ చేస్తుంది.
Hello sir. We have been seeing your energy since the morning. So what's your secret of your energy?
My secret?
Yeah.
I just said I don't have any secrets, but I think it's basically I try to be happy all the time. So I try to take away the stress out of my life as much as possible, and I keep it simple. I think, yeah, that's the secret.
మీరు గెస్ట్గా ఒక రియాలిటీ షోలో కూడా వస్తున్నట్టున్నారండి, ప్రోమో వచ్చింది. గెస్ట్గా వస్తున్నట్టున్నారు మీరు రియాలిటీ షోలో, ప్రోమో వచ్చింది చూసాం.
చెప్తారండి, వాళ్ళే చెప్తారు.
Sir, you have always talked about adding the qualities in the phone. If you get an option to change something which you want to avoid in the phone, what it will be?
I think I would take the camera out of the phone.
But that's more important, as you said, right?
No,
Yeah.
I mean, having said that, as a celebrity, because, if you go back 20 years ago when the camera was not in the phone, so I would go out of the airport, people would not take photographs, and it would be very private. But these days, photographs are all over the place. They just keep clicking with their phones. So if you take that feature away, it would be more private, I feel.
Oh.
That's what I'm...
Okay.
త్రివిక్రమ్ గారితో కూడా సినిమా ఈ ఇయర్ స్టార్ట్ అవ్వచ్చండి?
Yeah, and we are looking at starting off this year.
Sir, if option is given to take a selfie, everybody wants to have a selfie with you, but we want to know Mahesh Babu wants to have a selfie with. Everybody wants to have a selfie with you, but we want to know Mahesh Babu sir wants to have a selfie.
I would want
If
to
you
have a
get-
selfie with my father.
Wow, okay.
సార్ మీది రాజమౌళి గారి కాంబో కోసం అందరూ ఈగర్లీ వెయిట్ చేస్తున్నారు. సో అది 29th ఉండొచ్చా? అదే మీ 29th ఫిల్మ్ ఉండవచ్చా? 30th అవ్వచ్చు?
అదే అండి, ఇట్స్ అందరికీ తెలిసిందే మేము కొలాబరేట్ అవ్వబోతున్నామని. అండ్ ఇట్స్ డ్రీమ్ కమ్ ట్రూ అండ్ రియలీ లుకింగ్ ఫార్వర్డ్. ఇట్స్ టూ ఎర్లీ టు టాక్ అబౌట్ నౌ. ఐ థింక్ వెరీ సూన్ ఎవ్రీథింగ్ ఆల్ ద డీటెయిల్స్ విల్ బీ కమింగ్ అవుట్. బట్ ఆల్ ఐ కెన్ సే ఇస్ ఎప్పటి నుంచో అనుకున్నాం అండ్ we're really looking forward and it will be a dream come true for me.
సార్ బిగ్సీ ఇప్పటి వరకు మీరు చేస్తున్న ఎన్నో బ్రాండ్ సార్ ఇది. ఎక్కడ చూసినా ఎందులో చూసినా మీరే ఉంటారు కాబట్టి ఇది ఎన్నో బ్రాండ్ అయి ఉంటుంది మీకు మీరు యాక్ట్ చేసిన యాడ్లో.
అది ఇంకా తెలియదు సార్, ఇంటికి వెళ్ళి కరెక్ట్గా లెక్క చెప్పి మీకు ఫోన్ చేసి మెసేజ్ చేస్తాను సార్.
Okay, I have to request all the elders there to pass the mic in the front because our little kids here who want to ask Mahesh sir questions. Please, for a few minutes, just pass on the mic there.
So before the kids ask the question, Mahesh sir, I have a question for you, a personal question. So I know you have 2 kids, lovely kids. So ఇద్దరు ఎప్పుడన్నా కొట్టుకొని నేను ఇష్టమా ఎవరంటే ఇష్టం డాడీ అని అడిగితే మీరు ఏం చెప్తారు? బికాస్ దట్స్ సో ట్రికీ. సో పిల్లలు అడిగే ముందర
ఇందు సార్ ఇప్పుడు బాగానే ఉన్నాగా, షూటింగ్ చేశాను మీకు.
అలాగే సార్, అది ఎలా మేనేజ్ చేస్తారని అడుగుతున్నాను. నాకు కూడా ఇద్దరు పిల్లలు ఉన్నారు.
ఇప్పుడు ఇంటికి వెళ్ళాలి, మా పిల్లలతో ఎందుకు?
ఓకే సార్, ఓకే డన్. ప్లీజ్ కిడ్స్, యూ కెన్ ఆస్క్ యువర్ క్వశ్చన్.
In Friends, who's your favorite character?
All of them. They're all eternal classics, I think. So every character is my favorite in Friends.
Okay.
Okay, pass on the mic in the front.
What is the most favorite video you watch? Movie.
Favorite video?
Movie.
Movie.
Movie is my father's film, Alluri Sitaramraju. That's my most favorite film.
I have 2 questions. What's your most favorite movie that you participated in, and do you prefer Android or iOS?
I don't know what language you're speaking.
Take off the mask and then talk.
Take off.
Yeah.
What's your most favorite movie that you participated in, and do you prefer Android or iOS?
The most favorite movie I participated in was, I think Pokri was an amazing experience, which I'll always cherish for the kind of film it was. And iOS.
All right, last question, kids.
What is your movie you keep on watching?
Repeat, okay.
That's, like I said, the television series Friends, I keep watching it again and again. So it relieves my stress.
Okay.
All right, great. So anybody else has questions? Please pass on the mic in the back, kids.
I think this is
And
the first
thank
time
you
we're
for your
having a Q&A
questions.
with kids also. So all of our partners, kids, and they're so excited to see. Yeah.
సార్ సర్కారు వారి పాట. హలో సార్. సార్ అతను సర్కారు వారి పాట డైరెక్టర్ గారు పూరి గారి అసిస్టెంట్ అండి. పోకిరి లాగా ఉండబోతుంది ఈ సినిమా కూడా, చాలా బ్లాక్ బస్టర్ అయ్యే సూచనలు ఉన్నాయని చెప్పేసి టాక్ ఉంది సార్. మీరు ఎలాగ దాన్ని చెప్తారు సార్ దాని గురించి?
అదే అండి, నాకు చాలా ఎక్సైటింగ్ అనిపించింది. అండ్ డెఫినెట్లీ ఆయన అన్నది అక్షరాల నిజం. అండ్ వెన్ హీ నరేటెడ్ ద స్క్రిప్ట్, ఇప్పుడు నేను విన్నప్పుడు కానీ ఎవరు విన్నా కానీ ఇప్పుడు రషెస్ చూసినా కానీ చాలా ఎక్సైట్మెంట్ వచ్చింది. అండ్ సో ఎవరు చూసినా ఇది పోకిరికి ఏమాత్రం తగ్గదు, పోకిరి అని ద సేమ్ వైబ్స్ వేర్ ఆల్ ఫీలింగ్. సో ఖచ్చితంగా అలా అవ్వాలని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా కోరుకుంటున్నాను.
పరశురామ్ గారితో ఎన్ని సిట్టింగ్స్ తర్వాత ఈ కథ ఓకే చేశారు సార్ మీరు?
ఒకే సిట్టింగ్ అండి, నేను అన్ని సిట్టింగ్స్ చేయను, ఎప్పుడు ఒకే సిట్టింగ్ చాలు.
Hello, sir. Phones.
Yeah.
కంగ్రాచులేషన్స్ న్యూ అంబాసిడర్గా బిక్సీ ఈరోజే మీతో సైన్ చేయించుకుంది. అర్థం కాకుండా ఉంది మీ సైన్, 3 అక్షరాలతో ముగించారు. చాలా బాగుంది కూడా. అండ్ ఫోన్స్, సోషల్ మీడియా ప్లాట్ఫామ్స్, ఈ రెండింటి గురించి ఏం చెప్తారు సార్? ఇప్పుడున్న జనరేషన్ కావచ్చు, ఇప్పుడున్న ప్రపంచం అంతా కూడా ఫోన్తో ముడిపడి ఉంది. అండ్ ట్విట్టర్, ఇన్స్టా, ఫేస్బుక్ ఇలా చాలా యాప్స్ వచ్చేసాయి. దీనిపై మీ కామెంట్ ఏంటి? ఎంతవరకు యూస్ఫుల్ అనుకుంటున్నారు దీని మీద?
ఐ థింక్ యూ షుడ్ జస్ట్ చాలా లైట్గా తీసుకోవాలి, ఎంజాయ్ చేయాలి. ఎక్కువ సీరియస్గా తీసుకోకూడదని నా ఫీలింగ్, అంతే అండి. అదర్వైజ్ ఇట్ కెన్ బికమ్ వెరీ టాక్సిక్, ద ఎంటైర్ సోషల్ మీడియా. సో యూ షుడ్ జస్ట్ టేక్ ఇట్ లైట్లీ. దట్స్ మై ఫీలింగ్. దట్స్ హౌ ఐ టేక్ ఇట్.
మీరు ఇందాక చెప్పారు షూట్లో ఉన్న, బిజీగా ఉన్న ఫోన్ పక్కన పెట్టేస్తాను. వన్స్ ఇఫ్ యూ టేక్ ఇట్ బ్యాక్, ఫస్ట్ మీరు ఓపెన్ చేసే యాప్ ఏంటి? దేన్ని చూస్తారు ఫోన్ తీసుకున్న తర్వాత?
ఏం చేస్తానంటే వాట్సాప్ చూస్తాను, ఇంట్లో ఏమైనా మెసేజ్ చేశారా ఏంటి, అంతే.
All right, we'll take last question now if in case anybody has, and then we'll wrap it up.
Yes, sir. I'm Harita from V6 News. ఎస్ సార్, మీరు వెబ్ సిరీస్ అంటే పాండమిక్లో చాలా వెబ్ సిరీస్ గురించి సోషల్ మీడియా ప్లాట్ఫామ్లో షేర్ చేశారు. ఫ్యూచర్లో మీరు మూవీస్ కాకుండా ఇట్లాంటి వెబ్ సిరీస్లో కూడా చేసే అవకాశాలు ఉంటాయా? చేస్తే ఒకవేళ ఎలాంటి రోల్ చేస్తారు?
అది అసలు ఆలోచించలేదండి. వెబ్ సిరీస్ చూడటమే అనుకున్నాను, కానీ చేసే టైం వస్తుందని ఎప్పుడు అనుకోలే మైండ్లో. బట్ హూ నోస్ అండి, బట్ దే ఆర్ వెరీ ఎక్సైటింగ్ ఐడియాస్ బీయింగ్ ఎక్స్ప్లోర్డ్ నౌ. బట్ యాజ్ ఆఫ్ నౌ ఐ హ్యావ్ నాట్ గివెన్ ఎనీ థాట్ టు ఇట్.
Well, thank you so much, everybody. All right, so this is the last question, friends.
So, Sitara is already giving a very tough time to us, as you know, she's become a superstar already in her digital platform. So, can we see her together, you and Sitara working together? And have she expressed her point of view, Dad, I want to be like you? Is she said sometime, wow, I want to be like you?
The little I've spoken to her, she doesn't want to do Telugu films. She wants to act in English films. That's what she said. But yeah, they have a mind of their own, so they're growing up, and so we've left it to the children. So for us, I think it's the education is very important. So we want them to study first, and then they can decide what they want to do.
But have you asked her why she don't want to do the Telugu
No,
movies when she's
it's not gone to that. So we're not. It's just happened in a joking conversation. So she's a big fan of Frozen films. So she likes, Elsa and all that. So she's even dubbed for Frozen, I think, in Telugu. So she has like I said, she's 9 years old, and she's going on 14 or 15 years, like that. So she's not, in the sense, like I said, we've not forced anything on our children. So we've left it to them to decide what they want to do. I've never thought about that. I'll be nervous to act with my daughter, to be honest.
Great. Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen, for all your questions. This time I request all the directors and Mahesh sir to please join for the photo op. I also request Mr. Ravi Chandran, Director, Tamil Nadu, to please join the directors on the stage. And the hashtag Big C, please hand it over to everybody.
Thank you everybody, and thank you media. Thanks for the crew. Thanks for everybody who supported us making this day the most successful one. This is the most prestigious and the most remarkable day in the history of Big C, because this is the day we have signed our brand ambassador, one and only superstar, Mr. Mahesh Babu. So from the bottom of my heart, I thank Sri Namrata Garu also, who has been very supportive. I think the planning, take care of that. From the bottom of my heart, I thank Namrata Garu. She has been a very pillar of support to have everything happen in a single day, and that too in a breeze. Thank you, Mahesh sir.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Big C family and everybody present here, we would like to say a big thank you to the superstar Mahesh Babu, loved and respected by all, for joining the Big C family. We welcome you, and we are looking forward to the journey along with superstar Mahesh Babu. I thank everybody who joined in through the digital media, through the digital platform, and all the customers, the loyal customer base of Big C, for their loyalty and support. I am Shivani Sen, and I am wishing you a great evening ahead.